Put up to your chin. You are sweet. Welcome to Jack Jack World. Papaw has a lot of work for Jack Jack today. Let's see what they're up to. A couple of pawpaw's trees were knocked down from a bad storm we had last week. Now Jack Jack is burning the rest of the wood. Oh, break time. Off to the playground. Let's count Jack Jack down till he slides. 3, 2, 1. Go!
Wow!
Oh, more sticks need to be picked up. Put up to your chin. Put up to your chin. You are sweet. Gotta get closer. Get closer to it. Papaw is adding a cross to his yard for Easter. Jack Jack is going to help use the hammer and knock it into the ground. Ending the day with a four-wheeler ride. Thanks for watching.